Ok, ciao ragazzi, today another special. We're gonna do spaghetti with fresh tomato, pesto and burrata. Let's go. Today's ingredients: fresh spaghetti, fresh cherry tomatoes, tomato sauce, a little bit of pesto. This is homemade pesto. I'm gonna show you one day how to make it. This is a basil pesto. Parmigiano Reggiano, burrata, some basil, black pepper, and olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil. This is an organic, really nice olive oil from Italy. Okay, let's start by preparing the base, the tomato sauce. A little bit of olive oil. We're gonna cut like 10 of those for one person. Simple. While this is cooking, meanwhile I'm gonna just pick a couple of leaves of basil. We add the tomato sauce and we're just gonna cook it for a few minutes. This is a very simple pasta. And then there's a variation to the spaghetti al pomodoro, but we just add the burrata on top. You'll find it here after I bought the pasta bar. Salt. Look how much salt I put. I put a lot of salt. Ocean. Oopla. Voila. Boom. We're gonna move the pasta inside the pan. Voila. Bam, 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 bam. A little bit of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna toss a little bit of basil. And our pasta, it's ready. Now we're gonna plate it. Wonderful, look at that. All right, look at this. Look how beautiful it looks. We're gonna put a little bit of pesto. Why? Because mozzarella, pesto, tomato sauce, this is the best. Just a little bit of pesto on top. And then the burrata, the very creamy burrata. Boom, there we go guys. Look at this, voila. Italia, this is Italy. Verde, bianco, rosso. Verde, bianco, rosso. Green, white and red. This is Italy. Delizioso, delizioso guys. It's a winner, really good.